Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Allison if you're new here, and I'm a grad student in Tokyo. And today I'm going to go to my friend's house to deliver him a piece of my old furniture, my old table. Wait, I guess I haven't shown you it yet. So this is my new center table. It is cream and the top wood is really cute. My old one's in this corner. As you can see, it's gray and ugly-ish for me. And then you just flip it over. We have storage inside and then a nice comfy ottoman. Very cute. I'm very happy with it. So I'm gonna give my friend my old one. There's nothing wrong with it. It's gray and it doesn't match, I mean, you know, the vibe of the room. Look at it. And yeah, actually I kind of need to get going. I don't know how, but it's already almost 2 and I haven't done anything. I don't know what happened. Yeah, let's get going. And we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go to the Starbucks Reserve Roastery again. I feel like I go there all the time in these vlogs, but I never have actually been until this year, and now I've been 3 times in the same year. So yeah, well, that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, let's get going. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of his apartment. It's very different to mine, and you'll see why. $11, $13, but I love it so much. Hello, eel. Hello, angelfish. Oh, girlfriends. Hi. Oh, scary. Hey guys, I'm here at my friend's apartment and it's kind of spooky, but I wanted to show you what you can get. We're in Nakameguro and the rent I'll tell you at the end, but we're pretty far from the station, but let's go check it out. In the spooky alley. Kind of like a Ghibli movie, if you look at it positively.
Ignore the garbage.
Exposing yourself. So you said this apartment's age is...
Unknown.
Unknown.
Here we are.
Let's go.
Ojamashimashou.
So this apartment has no age, which means it's probably at least, what, 40 years old, 50 years old?
Probably.
Which is really dangerous in Japan because they have these earthquake regulations that were they had a major update in the 70s. So if it's older than that, most Japanese people don't want to live there. But here we are. Yeah, it's renovated. So let's check it out. And start with the Genkan. So we got a built-in shui thing.
Yeah.
We got the door. We have an homage to our Lord, Stitch.
There he is. Bow.
And then over here we have the bathroom.
Which you would think it's an old Japanese squat toilet, but no!
It's not.
We have a bidet!
We have updated wallpaper.
Updated wallpaper.
And we have a bathtub.
Let's see, it's like an onsen. You can sit
It's
here.
an onsen.
It's an onsen. Look at how deep it goes. Hey.
It's cracked.
Yeah, I broke it. I broke it when I moved it here.
Dude, that's not a good sign.
No, it's okay. It'll work.
Okay, and then we have this crazy kitchen. This is all a kitchen room, basically, which is really surprising that you have one of these for the price this apartment is. But first we have garbage.
Let's see. Oh yeah, stacked high.
And in Japan, you have to separate your garbage, I guess here into like, what, 5 categories?
7.
7 categories.
Oh wait,
of
here, we
garbage.
can go check it real quick. One category that has 4 categories. Burnable, non-burnable, things that have mercury, cardboard and old paper, and big garbage.
That's a lot of garbage. We have a cart, we have a water tank.
Oh yeah, my water tank.
And we have a giant fridge.
Standard, we always put our microwave oven
on top.
and our air fryer on top.
You got this really nice bar counter kind of situation with like little stools. Very cute. Oh, so it could go down.
Yes.
Or it could be a table. And now we have the kitchen. He also has all this space, which I'm really jealous of because I have no counter space.
I'm
so jealous. And we have the sink, which is huge.
I have the biggest sink in all of Japan.
Probably. This nice dish drying situation. We got this. It's like an older style kind of stove where it's like separate. It's not built in, but this is pretty common in older apartments. Bedroom!
Here we are.
We have the bed, which is, what is this, a futon?
Yeah, and it's double size.
So we have a giant futon, which he can put away when he's not lazy. He can put it away in the closet, so it's like movable.
Yeah.
Then we got this kotatsu table. So in the winter, it becomes a heated table with a blanket.
Uh-huh.
But right now, it's just giant and manly.
Uh-huh.
We got the TV. We got this little floor sofa, which I think can become a bed, right?
Yes.
If you move it.
It's folded up right there.
It's fine. And then we have the biggest closet probably in all of Tokyo. Like, this is all closet space. It's crazy.
All closet.
Nothing!
Nothing.
Because it's so big. And just winter stuff.
I did not have enough stuff to fill this apartment.
Oh my god, you brought your snowboard.
Exactly.
And we have
Clothes.
a closet, a more normal Western style closet.
There we go.
But he did have to put in the bar himself.
Yeah.
So. Oh. Thank you. Ooh. We're here at the, what do you call this, a terrace?
I have a terrace.
And we're on the first floor. And we have the washing machines actually outside for this one. And you just hang dry your clothes. Like, it's pretty standard in Japan. And I see you have a spider in your roach trap.
Look at all this space. I got a garden, a potential garden.
Whee! So this apartment costs 8万5,000 a month.
Yeah.
Which is, if we ignore the awful exchange rate right now, it'd be about $850 normally, which isn't too bad because we are actually like in like a really trendy area of Tokyo.
Yeah.
It's just that we have to take a bus basically to get to the station, but it's not that bad because the buses come like every 10 minutes. So it's pretty good because where I live, the buses only come like twice an hour.
And you're just as far from the station.
So sad. All right, so that is this apartment tour of my friend's apartment, not mine. If you want to see mine, make sure you check out the other video on my channel, which I'll link up here. It is a bit newer, like of a remodel, but it's in a worse area of town. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like the video, subscribe for more content about my life here in Japan in the future, and I'll see you guys back here again next week as always. Bye!